Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So in this live stream we are going to be trading some binary option as always, and if you see this as a recording, make sure you sign up and be a part of my community here at YouTube. So subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream look just like this one. Also, make sure you sign up with a broker. You find the link below the video. Also, there are then a promo code that give you 200% on your first deposit. Okay. Now, for the ones coming in, welcome. I'm now just going to start to make everything ready so we can get started to be trading. So just bear with me while I do so. Also set up my tablet in the side here so we can follow the chat as always. That is quite nice, so I'm able to see what you all are writing. See, I need to turn on the tablet. This might take a little while. Let's see. Okay, there. We'll start trading in a couple of minutes, so just bear with me. While we do so, we can take a look. Binance Coin is paying 98%, amazing. I think in this case up here is the area I think we take trades. Let's turn this to 30, let's take 100. If you get up there, I'll take a trade right away. Let's see. We are very close. So we already have a zone that we are trading. So today is a Monday morning. Incredible warm here in Sao Paulo. We did see up to 41 degree. Yeah, 41 degree yesterday. Way too warm for me. Now let's see. I'm ready to push the down button if we get up. For now I need to have it up there because only because of this bar. I did not like it that much. Let's see. I forgot to charge my tablet, but I think we can run it by the way. So you can see the chat. Let's be ready. Let's open YouTube. So you can follow the chat now. I think we are almost ready now. We are, by the way, waiting for a sell trade up there. So if it's good to make everything in order here now. If you get one more bar closing more like this one here, we might move our line a little down. For now, I want it where I have it. Let's see. We are so close to a trade. And we have the chat open. Cool. Then I can follow if someone come in and write. Amazing. I think now, let's see, I think now we moved there. That is our trading zone now. Now let's see. Yes, I like that. I like it a lot. So this is the place we are going to take trades now. Let's see. in. Oh, we got a terrible entry. I did push up here. I got the entry down there. But still, let's follow this one. I hope we get lucky. That enter is terrible. Take one more up there. We were lucky. We won the first one. Perfect. Good start. So we have $98. 98 plus. That second one is perfect entry, so you're going to win that one also. And one more, 98. So we have an amazing start of $196. I love this start. Now let's see. We are ready to take more trades if we just can get up there. Let's see. We are ready. And let's zoom in so we maybe get a little better entry. Oh, terrible entry again. But I think most close actually below it, so there's a chance you can win it. Let's follow that trade. One more bad entry. Let's see. We won one. Perfect. Plus 98. Let's see the next. 2, 3, amazing. We have started amazingly good today. We have already taken 4 trades and 4 winners. Our zone is up here, so let's wait and see. And if you're live now, just tell me where you're from at least, and if you are trading with demo account or if you're just watching for now. By the way, you find link in the chat, it's pinned. It's a little risky to trade this one, it's moving very fast. There, we got a nice entry. Now let's see, one more. One more $98. So yeah, a link in the chat. You can open a demo account. It's much more fun to follow if you are trading with a demo account. And then if you manage to follow, you can then just open a real account later and use the promo code so you get 200%. And there I have it, another $98. So our profit right now is actually $490. Incredible good start. Was it a little late there? But be careful when you're trading now, it's moving incredible hard, faster now. There I have one, but very, very, very bad entry. Let's see, most close below. Now let's see if we get our first loss. Like I said, it's moving incredible fast. It's very difficult to get a good entry. Let's see, 5, 4, 3, 2, and another win. Even though, but if you see, most close actually below, so the entry was not that bad, but I like to get entries as close to the line as possible. Now I will re-elevate my line a little. I'll move it up here. So I'm moving to 1390, okay? So profit right now it's 588. Arepata, welcome. And on live account, amazing. I remember, like I said before, everyone that have written in the chat from before, as we are just a small community that are trading live, I remember all of you. When you first have written one time, I remember you. And welcome this morning. Nice to see some familiar faces. Now let's see, I'm ready to go in again. Just be careful when you're trading this pair. It's incredibly difficult to get good entries, because as always with this broker we do have a small delay when you push. My entries I had just had one perfect entry on the line, the rest I even had one down in this region here. So you see it's moving incredibly fast, so it's very difficult to trade this pair. But as you can see, we still have been quite successful. Now let's see, I did move my line to 213.90. That's where we have the line right now. I might move it down again a little later, but as you are pushing a little hard and when you close it very high, I did take it to the highest point. So now let's just stay a little patient. And if I start to see many close like this one now, then I might move my line down a little again. But for now, I want it up there. By the way, I had a live session for at the Discord this Saturday. Basically, it was just me and one other person. So very low. We could say like this. Not this Saturday, but the Saturday before, we were like 7 live. So I was very happy with that. But this Saturday, for some reason, was just 1. So I really hope that you all make sure. Yeah, Maverick, you were the one that was trading with me. I really hope that we can get some more activity over at Discord, because I think also Maverick can confirm the quality we have now in Discord is another level. This shit thing we have here at YouTube can't even compare with what we had over there. So and thank you for reminding people to push the like button, Maverick. I appreciate. So now let's see. I think we can quite safely now move our line a little down. Let's move it there, I think. With there, then we have no one closing above. So I moved my line now to 213.78. That is the max I can go down currently, I think. Now, I don't see anything we can trade in the bottom here just right now. It's I see also we are missing some bars. If you say missing bars, it's because you're trading in everything is stored inside your memory on your brochure. So if you do a reload, these bars will refill. So I will do a reload here now, and you will see the bars will be refilled. So it's nothing to do with the broker, it's just that sometimes the brochure don't remember the bars. Now you see that all the bars are here. So if you see too many bars are missing, it's just that your brochure don't remember them. But also remember, if you reload, you need to then again turn this to 30 or 1 minute, whatever you choose. Basically, I found that win rate does not change that much in between these two. Sometimes I just trade 30, sometimes I just trade 1 minute. You will see me if you see we have very long these spikes. I call it spikes. When you see long spikes, I typically change to 1 minute. Here we don't have so long, and then I choose 30. It's basically just the way I do it. Now let's change for 30 because we are moving up again. We do have some type of resistance around here. So let's see if we can break that first. Or maybe this will be we start move down. Let's see. It can also be that our trading zone will be here a little later. We'll see. But yes, I'm sitting here with a hat. That is more for so you don't all need to see my moon here. But yes, it's a little too warm to sit with a hat. It's yesterday we had 41. Yes, you are correct. With a 4 in front. 41 degree outside. Here in Sao Paulo was like crazy warm. And the worst of all, zero wind. It's like no wind at all. So for me, that is myself is a European. I was dying yesterday. It's too warm. So for the ones that wonder, I lived now here in Brazil total for 11 years. But I still don't get used to 41 degree. I think in my city right now it's maybe around where I come from in Norway, I think it's like 11 degree. Just so you can see the difference. I think the warmest around there now is like 17 in the day. So big difference. Now let's see. I don't know what humid is. Sorry for that. Now we have a little pause with our trading, but I think that's completely fine as we already got in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades actually, and profit of 588. I'm pretty happy with that. Looks like we might get some new areas here. Right here start to look good. So let's see, depending on where this bar close, I will probably move my line down here. Let's see, I will not do it just for not for confusement. I'll just move it after this bar close, but I think around here would be the area that could be tradable for us now. Let's wait and see. There, yes. I think there we can have it. We take trades now on this line there. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, we take that. So now let's see if we can get that up there again. We'll take it. So yes, from not this Friday, but next Friday I'll be in Aruba also. So then I will, like last time I was on holiday, I'll bring my portable computer, but this time around I think total I will lose 2 or 3 training days, but I will have good internet connection this time around, so we will not have any issue this way around. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like when you go in this quiet for me now. It's like you go inside these rooms, you know, where you have this hot air coming. For some reason, I don't remember the name, but it's like that sometimes here. Especially if it starts raining, then it's unbearable here. So it's yeah. like in Norway, is more dry. But of course, if you had 41 degree in Norway, actually that would feel warmer than here. So it's a little weird that this way. But yes, 41, unbearable. Like I was seeing a football game yesterday, they did take many water breaks because they had a finale here in Brazil yesterday. Sauna, yeah, correct. It's like sauna here now. Probably down here. Let's see. This might be something. I want to see one more test before I activate it. But this might be an area we can trade. Let me see. Actually, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's just activate it. We have done so good. Let's do that. Then we have a trading area between these two lines. Like I said, if you're trading this one, be incredibly careful because the bars are moving super fast. I don't think I have got... No, actually, 1 out of these 6 trades I got where I wanted it. See? Oh. No. I even moved my mouse away. Look this terrible entry I got here. But let's see. I'm not confident about this trade at all. Not at all. This entry was terrible. And this is what I have seen much today now, because the bars are moving so fast that but still the entry can be terrible, but you see all are closing above it, so it's not so bad. And we won, by the way. But see there, be very careful. Most of my trades have been terrible entries. I only feel confident about the trade if I get it close to the line. Of course, when we have a entry here and you see all are closing above, that is still a good entry, but in my book is not good because I like to have entries. A good entry for me is actually a little below the line, but I see from I click the button till I get a trade, for me right now is around 3 seconds-ish. So, and in 3 seconds this one can move a lot. See here now, for example, if you had an entry here for some reason, you will get it up here. So now let's see. I will not trade. By the way, I will not take a trade on the first entry up here now. I just want to hold back. I want to see if we close there. Yes, the next bar I will take it. But when you see a strong bar up like this, I don't trade on the first. Okay. So thankfully now, even with the delay from YouTube, you have now the option to do the same. This is the best thing with Discord. Everything I say you receive right away because you don't have delay like we have here in YouTube. It's a big difference. But by the way, I'm not taking trade on this bar. Whatever happened, I'll not take it. Now I am more willing to take a trade. So now let's see if you can take one on the top. Come on. Okay, we got the entry. Very good entry this time around. Maybe we'll need to move our line up a little because he is very much higher than our line right now. But let's see. Thankfully I got a good entry. Let's see now. We need to wait more 10 seconds. This is trade number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Trade number 8. And we lost that trade. Okay, but that is okay. First loss of the day. Now let's keep our hands away. Let's remove this one for now. Let's see where this one is closing before we consider. He closed it too high. I am not willing now. Now we need to reform this one here. We were very close to win this trade. It was just in the last second. Our entry was basically more or less where we closed it, but that is fine. Now let's see, we take minus 100. Our profit is 586, so it's still good, but yeah. Of course, we are doomed to get a losing trade. We don't have a 100% winning strategy. So, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins out of 8 trades. That is amazing. I have always said our win rate is around 7 and 8 wins for each 10 trades. This is over a huge average. Not for each day. We can have a day where we have a much lower. We can have 5 wins for 10 trades, or we can have 10 of 10 wins. When I say 7 and 8, that is basically 7.5, we can say. That is our win rate, but that is based on thousands of trades. Because I've been trading now for 1.5 years live, and I have also traded before that, of course. But I consider more the live trading because even I trade different in live than I do when I trade myself. I feel when I trade myself, even my win rate even can go down a little because I take more trades. Because then it's my money to be loose, you know. But when I trade live, I feel I'm also helped. In some way I feel I'm trading with you all, and then you might take the same trades like me, and I feel I need even to do a little better. So in some way I like to trade live because it's more pressure on me to do good. So now let's wait. For now I'm not trading at all on this one up here. I need to see a more confirmation. But let's put a line, just so we have something to follow. Let's make this one a blue line like this. We are considering up there. That is the place I consider. I just need to see, get a little more confirmation. But yes, this might be the area we are trading. Let's see. Also, we are making some small money up here. This is for cashback. So every time I'm trading, when I trade with $100, I receive $4 every single time. Now I want one more confirmation up here before I start trading. This money we see here, I typically collect every recap video I make after. It's just a push a button and this money will be added to this balance. Let's see. Now how long time have we been trading, by the way? Wow, we traded only 28 minutes and we are taking quite a lot of trades. So this is something I like. More trades you take, more fun it is. We have had sessions, as you have seen. I think the lowest session we have had lately, I think maybe it was Friday. I think we did take just 4 trades. Let me see. 1, 2, yeah, 4 trades. That is the lowest I think we have done for a while. But now already this looks very good. Now let's see down here. We were very close down here now. Let's wait and see. I will take a trade on the green line. I prefer if this one close around here. Don't go down right away. I always like to have a slow slope down for the first entry. I don't like these big bars, even though they make big space here. You see he almost came down, and of course if your line for example was around here, it's adjustable to have a line here. I just trade a little safer. You would have a very good entry and you would have one clearly. But yeah. So when you trade yourself, you can move your lines the way you want. You see around here is adjustable to have a line here. But like I said, I keep always a little safer when I'm trading. And I see now on my tablet where I have my second screen, I can see that the quality is terrible compared with Discord on YouTube. Do you all see? I can ask you, Maverick. How is it to see this number here? Do you manage to see the number I have here on the screen now in YouTube? Or do I need to tell these numbers here? Let me know. So now you can see for the ones trading a little higher, you're still doing quite good. I might even move my line up now. I start to see that we might need to do so. And I do actually like when I see one lower and one little higher. Okay, maybe I have a low setting here on my tablet. It can be. Yeah, 5 to 7 seconds. That is actually a huge delay because there are many times I can move my lines and many times I can tell that I don't take a trade. And in 5 seconds that can happen that people might take a trade. So yeah, so there are a big difference then. But good at least that you can see where I put my lines. So, but anyone that can't see it, just ask and I will tell exactly till you get the number correctly. We can have this deal. Now, it would be nice to get one more test so we can activate the lineup here also. When come to this one, I think, let's take it there. Let's do that now. I moved my line to 1073. If this bar can come up and just pin this blue line, we will activate it. For now, I'm not activating it at all. Okay, I will mention it, and if you don't get it, well, if I say a number and you don't get it, just ask repeat. Do like this, repeat green line, repeat red line. Let's do like that, and I will do. And I'm not bothered, you can ask me 20 times and I will repeat it 20 times without any problems. So don't worry. Almost we pinned our blue line. I would for now I'm not trading it, but we might move our line down a little up here and activate it, because we do have 1, 2, 3, it looks nice. Depending on where this bar closes now, I might move it down and activate it. Let's see. I do like the setup quite a lot. Like I said, depending on where this bar closes. If we close around down here, yes, clearly we move it. So let's move it down here now, just to understand where I'm thinking. I'm thinking there. So let's wait. Let's change the, yes, we changed the color. So it's at 213.86. 213.86. I did put my line now. And I'm in. Finally we got a very good entry. Now let's see how this plays out. Did you got the entry, by the way? Up there? No, because if you did, you are in the money. And there we got it. Another sweet $98. So we are now at 684. Did you get the trade? Any of you? Okay, understand. And that's the thing. You get better quality, but you get bigger delay. And that is not a good thing, because bigger delay, for example, when I move this line here now, I think we had at least 30 seconds, so everyone should have got this trade. But still, yes, bigger delay, less chance to get, for example, this trade we did take up here now. So once again, Discord is another beast, because there we have pure quality and maximum 1 second delay. So I really hope that we can manage to move over there as fast as possible. And I like this thing that people can wait, we might get a trade in the bottom here now. And I did love that they closed it here. Make me, ooh, no! My entry is terrible. I will lose this trade. I will lose this trade. Look, this entry, I did push down here, and my entry came all the way up here. I am so annoyed now. I hate when I get entries like this. And of course I will lose it. Yeah, I lose like crazy here now. Okay, still good profit, but by the way, I would have lost it on the line, as we are pushing that much down. Now let's zoom out. Now let's remove this line here. Let's make it blue. Now tick down there. We will follow now. Let's just wait and see. Now I think we're taking 10 trades. Yes, 10 trades. And our win rate is 8 out of 10. That is very good. I'm happy with that. Like I said, we can't expect to win every single trade. If anyone come and tell you that you have a 100% win rate without any strategy, don't even watch the video. That's rubbish. It's not possible. But yes, I have seen a lot of YouTubers with 100% win rate. It's ridiculous. We can take a look. We take a search on YouTube while we are waiting. 100% win rate. Only if you use Martingale. Wait, binary options. So here you see, 100%. Never lose. Like, it's so ridiculous. All this is just bullshit. And one strategy you also should stay away from is to mean strategy binary options. Let's see. This one here. This 2-minute strategy. This person here, he is huge in YouTube, but this strategy is rubbish. He's making crazy money because the way he makes money, of course, is of if you lose your money in the broker, he makes money. When you sign up as affiliate, you have options. You can make money for each time you deposit. You can get a percent of that. That I don't have myself because there are many things that need to go through. I don't like it. You have the option to make, so you can make every time people are losing money, you get a percent of that. I don't feel that is something I want either. I want to take after the success, so I have chosen that the way you can do that, I get a very small percent of every trade you do. So it's like 0 point something percent I'm making. So every time you trade, I make a small percent. So also know, I'm not a cent either. I make money from your trades when you sign up with my link, but I make for a small for every trade. So if, for example, you deposit $1,000, let's put something high. You deposit $1,000 and you throw in 1,000 in one trade, I basically make nothing. But this person with a 2-minute strategy, he will be super happy because he's making a lot of money. personally, I make for every trade you do, so I want you to succeed, because success come after. If you can manage to do many trades, that means you are doing something correct. And that is what I want. That's why I try to show the best of the best strategy, so everyone have a possibility to make money. So I keep it to a way that, yeah, I think is fair, because why should I show strategy that is not working? So for example, this 2-minute strategy, it's your win rate should be around 50%, because it's basically, instead of follow this indicator that he uses, is the MACD indicator with a cross on 2 minutes. You can rather take a coin and flip it and take heads, then you go up. So that's how you do it. Stay away from indicators, because, for example, here you will not have taken a trade down here. Your entry would maybe be up here. So in this case, probably you would have won it. But that also is on 2 minutes. So it's different how it looks like. We can change for. Actually, we don't have option for 2 minutes for this broker. But yeah, just be aware of that indicators does not work. The only indicator that works actually on Forex, Dogecoin channel. But because Dogecoin channel, in the way you use it, it's not a lagging indicator. I have made videos about that before. I've also made videos about using indicators. If you go back to my older videos on these brokers, I did use in the past. I use Bollinger Band together with stochastic. Win rate was not that high. I think I had a win rate around 55%. So at least we made a small profit. But after I did move over to use just stupid simple strategies like trading just support and resistance on the wicks, our win rate did go up crazy. So just to be aware of that. Don't trade with indicators. It's rubbish. And the people that are trading indicators, you will not see them trading live. They will have live videos, but you will see through the live videos they're not trading. They're just doing what I'm doing right now, just talking, but you will not see trades like you see I have done here now. You will just see them talking and talking and talking, maybe show you examples when it fits them, where they see that they would have won the trade. Or maybe they just join one trade, so it looks like they have a trading session, but they will not be trading. So I have been in some of this live, but it's very rare you see them do live, because they see that if they do like me, trade every single day, they will not be able to just get away with talking. And they will have an intro where they are talking very directly to all the people that are live, and just to make time going, so they don't need to be trading that much. So it's a strategy, of course. So, but up to you, of course, if you want to follow some of these YouTubers. But I find it quite, and in that way, I'm a little annoyed that I am so small in YouTube and they are got so big. When I feel I'm the only one that actually trade live every single day, and they don't do. They don't prove that their strategies are working, you know. Yeah, and sometimes he do that also. He just throw in many trades, because he know himself that if he follow his own strategy, uh, he don't win. That's why he throw in many trades and he make videos. And if we do that, for example, on Pocket Option, you have the option to cancel trades, and then he can make many videos, and he can just choose the video he's making money. So no, really stay away from it. And it's, if you start throwing many trades, like for example, if you take first entry here and you throw in many down here, how are the people that are following the video supposed to follow that trade? How you're supposed to know how many trades you're going to put in all the time? So it's a way of, it's not martingale, but it's even same bad its own way. So no. And thank you for that. But yes, that is my goal. I want to make so what I do is easy to copy. That is what I want. Because if you just throw in trades random and you basically are telling about a 2-minute strategy after MACD and you throw in trades outside of where you are crossing, how is anyone going to copy his success then, if you can say that way? It's no way. So you need to have a one strategy and keep to it yourself. Otherwise, who is anyone going to copy it? Now let's see. We have been trading 45 minutes. I think we will trade around 15 more minutes. So if you're lucky, we can get a couple more trades. We have been looking now on Binance Coin all this session, and we have taken 10 trades on it. Let's see if some of the other ones here can be traded. Let's just close them so we make sure we get the correct values. As you see, I trade often cryptocurrency when we are in this broker. On other brokers, I typically trade forex pairs, but on this broker, I have more success on cryptocurrency. Ethereum, I'm not trading here. Ethereum and Bitcoin, basically they're not moving. I can show you. The bars are moving very slowly. By the way, yes, here, I will trade this up here actually. But you see, it's moving very slow. So, but in that way also, you have very easily to get a trade. So down here, for example. Down here, I will not be against taking a trade there, I think. But like I said, I find it boring. So let's check this one. Here, like this, I don't trade. When I see one very long like this, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I stay away. This is something I can't trade, because where I'm going to put my line when I have something like this. So this we just close. Let's check again. If you want to send me a private, that you can do. Let me just give me time to answer, okay? I'm not always, because after this video I have a lot of work. Not video, but live session, I mean. I'll give you the link to Discord. When you join now this Discord platform, make sure that you contact Alpha One, that you see it's admin, the one that is the top of the chat, okay? We also trade live in Discord, so make sure you, by the way, to join there. And there you can contact me. That is the preferred place for people to contact me. You also have an area, if for sometimes you're not able to send message to me, because they have many servers and things that are a little strange this way in Discord, but you have a place where it says Ask Alpha One, okay? So you have a place that calls the Ask Alpha One question, okay? You can ask your question there, and I always reply to you. So just go over there and you can ask me if you have anything you want me to help you with, okay? So preferred platform is Discord for everything, for questions and everything. Otherwise, you can also, let me see, I can join that also. If you don't want to install Discord, that is, I do have WhatsApp also. We can take download that one also. I have this one here. You can also ask here. This is a place, it's many people, so people will read what you're writing. Let me see. We can try that also. For WhatsApp, you can use this one. You did take a trade on Binance Coin now. Let me take a look at what you have done. Yes, you did. You did take a trade up here. Amazing. Congratulations. Yes. While I'm talking and looking at the pairs, they were a beautiful entry up here. Perfect. I'm happy for you, by the way. So, and this is what I like. When I put the lines here, they are active, right? So like you did now, you can go in, take your trades. Even though I can be looking at other things, you can continue looking on this pair, because this line is active till it breaks. Breaks means that this bar, for example, close above it, then we are done with it till we activate it again. So that is super good. I love to see that people can take the trades even though I'm not following, because this line is active till it's not. No, maybe we get one more. Let's see. Oh, I will have no way to get a trade there. It was too fast for me. And probably our entry will be very long down here because it was just spiking up. Was no way to get a trade on this part there. At least not for me. But yes, for the two in the chat now, I prefer Discord. I did not take a trade there either. But yes, if you did take a trade here, you are deep in the money. Also, for the ones that do not have account with this broker, just open a demo account. You find link pinned in the chat. Because we will be trading all this week, same time. And yes, you will maybe not get so much trades today. We just have 8 minutes left. But you can be trading together with me tomorrow also. And these live sessions you see me do now, this is something I am going to do forever. I will not say forever, but I am not planning to quit with this anytime soon. So I will be trading live for as long as possible. Yes, but for now I'm going to do that every day going forward. Now when that comes to that, it will be on Discord, as I can see myself all next year will only be trading on Discord. I don't think we'll be trading on YouTube next year, but I think maybe we'll trade out this year on YouTube just to make sure we get as many people as possible over to the platform of Discord, and then we will be trading there. That is my plan. Now let's see. We are now coming to the ending minutes. We just have around 5 minutes left of this live session. I think if we get lucky, we might get in a trade or two. And this one have broken down, so nothing here. But you see the line was blue also, so we have not decided, by the way. Dodge, for some reason, Dodge, I have never had a huge success with Dodge. I think all in all, my trades with Dodge, I think I have more losers than winners. So Dodge, for some reason, I have not had success with this pair. Binance Coin is the one I have the most success on. I find Binance Coin very easy to trade. Today actually was not so easy. I was moving very fast. I got very bad entries, but still with bad entries we did win a lot, so quite good. So now let's see. We have just maybe 4 minutes left of this live session. So once again, make sure you sign up with the link you find pinned in the chat. We will be trading here same time tomorrow. Today we have done 10 trades, 8 winners. I'm super happy with that. That is the exact win rate I'm promising. Between 7 and 8 wins out of 10 trades. That's where we are. Now let's see. If we get one more bar down in this region, we might activate here. But you see now, that's why we don't do. We need to wait. There, we got one more pin there. I will wait for where this bar close. If this bar close up around here, I will activate this to be a green line. Let's see. That is our biggest chance to get one more trade today. Let's see. Depending on if we close where it's now, I'm not activating it. He need to close up here. Let's see. Around where I have my mouse, I need the bar to close. Actually, I can put it there. That's the lowest point I want him to close. Let's see. Right now it's beautiful. How are we in time? We will be trading at least 2-3 minutes, so 3 more bars we can say. Let's see. Now you see this bar was removed. It's because of the brochure, the cache. Sometimes he forget. If you reload, we get it again. So it's not the broker, it's just your brochure forget the bar. So if you see now, I will reload just so you can see. If I reload, this long bar here will be there. Just see now, and there it is. So it's your brochure that forget, because it's stored in your browser. Now let's change, and if you reload now, you need to change this for 30 seconds or 1 minute, whatever you choose to use. I think we are happy here now. We have done quite good. We did 10 trades. I'm happy with that. 8 winners, amazing. So I will be back here trading again tomorrow. Same time, I trade always around 1 hour, so you can follow every single trade I do. So by tomorrow, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't lose a live stream just like this one. And also make sure you sign up with the broker. If you see this as a recording, it will be below the video. For the ones that are here right now, you find it pinned in the chat. Okay, so that, have an amazing day. Thank you so much, Arapata, for being here talking with me, Maverick, and let me see, M. Fundu, and who else? I think that was everyone that have been writing something for me in the chat. I appreciate it. You make it much easier for me to have a live stream like this, because when I'm sitting here trading by myself and no one is writing a chat, time goes slower for me. So it's nice for me to have a little conversation, because I try to talk all the live session, and that makes it harder if I don't have someone